Welcome to this tutorial on computer hardware. Today, we'll explore the essential components of a computer, what they do, and how they work together to power the devices we use daily. Whether you're a beginner or looking to brush up on your knowledge, this guide will provide a clear understanding of what makes computers tick. The CPU, or Central Processing Unit, is often called the brain of the computer. It processes instructions, performs calculations, and manages data flow. Modern CPUs consist of billions of transistors and have multiple cores to handle various tasks simultaneously. The CPU fetches instructions from memory, decodes them, and executes them. This process is known as the fetch-decode-execute cycle. Look for clock speed, measured in gigahertz, core count, and thread count when evaluating a CPU's performance. Popular examples include Intel's Core series and AMD's Ryzen processors. The motherboard connects all the components of a computer. It serves as the central communication backbone, allowing the CPU, memory, storage, and peripherals to work together seamlessly. It includes slots for the CPU, RAM, storage drives, and expansion cards like GPUs. It also has connectors for external devices. The type of motherboard you choose dictates what components your system can support. Brands like Asus, MSI, and Gigabyte offer a variety of motherboards for different needs. RAM is the computer's short-term memory. It temporarily stores data that the CPU needs to access quickly. When you run an application, it's loaded into RAM for faster access compared to storage drives. Capacity, measured in GB, and speed, measured in megahertz, are the primary considerations. For most users, 8 to 16 gigabytes of RAM is sufficient. Storage devices hold your operating system, applications, and personal files. There are two main types: HDD, which uses spinning magnetic platters to store data. HDDs are more affordable and offer large capacities but are slower. SSD, which uses flash memory for faster read/write speeds. SSDs are more expensive but significantly improve system performance. Modern systems often combine both for the best of speed and storage capacity. The GPU is responsible for rendering images, videos, and animations. It's essential for gaming, video editing, and other graphic-intensive tasks. Dedicated GPUs have their own memory and are ideal for demanding tasks. Integrated GPUs are built into the CPU and are sufficient for everyday use. NVIDIA and AMD are the leading manufacturers of GPUs. The PSU converts electricity from your wall outlet into a usable form for the computer. It ensures that all components receive the right amount of power. Key considerations include wattage, efficiency rating, and connector types. A reliable PSU is crucial for system stability. Computers generate heat, and cooling systems are essential to prevent overheating. There are two types of cooling: air cooling, using fans and heatsinks, and liquid cooling, using water or coolant. Proper cooling improves performance and extends the lifespan of components. Input devices like keyboards, mice, and webcams allow users to communicate with the computer. Output devices like monitors, speakers, and printers display or present the results of the computer's processes. Many modern devices connect via USB or wireless technologies like Bluetooth. The computer case houses and protects all internal components. It also provides airflow to keep components cool. Sizes range from compact mini ITX cases to large ATX cases, depending on your build requirements. Many cases include RGB lighting and tempered glass panels for a stylish look. When assembling a computer, compatibility is key. Ensure that your components work together in terms of physical fit and technical specifications. For example, your motherboard must support your chosen CPU and RAM. Take your time, use an anti-static wrist strap, and follow manufacturer instructions carefully. Once assembled, boot the system and install an operating system to ensure everything works as intended. Understanding computer hardware is essential for anyone interested in technology. Each component plays a vital role in the overall functionality of a computer. By knowing the basics, you can make informed decisions when buying, upgrading, or troubleshooting your system. With the right hardware, your computer can meet your needs, whether for work, gaming, or creative endeavors. Thank you for joining this tutorial. Feel free to explore further and deepen your knowledge of computer hardware.